हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाय हेलो हाय छोड़िए, जय माता दी बोलिए. So guys, welcome to SG Durbin and welcome to Singapore also. Now I can say welcome to Singapore, and today is really very good news, and congrats to everyone, and congrats all South Asians. And I also just now I reach home. It's going to be, you can see the time, 1:30 a.m. and outside you can see outside very dark. I'm in the room, and I just reached home. Actually, I didn't reach home, just and when I finished my work and I saw my phone, I got so many calls and messages. Then I came to know, and I opened my TikTok also, and all the social media I check. Oh my god, all. And so this is the good news, guys. Singapore is opening for all South Asian travelers, so anyone can enter now. So but and in this video I'm telling you all the, like, they have category. Singapore have meet the category, category 1, 2, 3, 4. So all category I will explain you. And this video, yeah, especially for Indians also, guys. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको, जब मैं इंडिया के बारे में बात करूँगा, तो मैं इंडिया का हिंदी और इंग्लिश में दोनों में बताऊँगा आपको. सो या गाइस, फॉर द इंडियंस आई विल ट्राई टू स्पीक इन हिंदी ऑल्सो, सो लाइक आई एम so easy to understand for those people. So that's why. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe, like and share, and please comment also. And one more thing, please, yeah, sorry for those people whoever trying to approach me, and I'm getting so many mails and messages and calls also. So I'm trying to give the answer to everyone, but I'm getting late because so many queries I'm getting. So I'm sure I will reply you everyone. Okay guys, so let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome to SG Durbin. So guys, now you can see on my laptop screen, this is the news. Singapore to allow some travelers from South Asia is stay home notice restriction for Malaysia and Indonesia. So this is today's news. So I'm not gonna to waste your time. So direct I'm going to this way. In short, I wanna explain you. I don't want to tell you all the details, everything. So in short, okay guys, this is traveling to Singapore. So simplified testing procedure and updated border measure effective on 26 2021 midnight. So you can say like 27 October in short. So okay guys, and here in the second you can see here, travelers with 14 days travel history to Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka will be allowed to enter to transit through Singapore from the above date. So it means like whoever traveled to these countries, Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, all these countries, so like in this way, this country, like within 14 days whoever travel in these countries, so that person can transit to Singapore also. So this very easy to them. So there is the category in Hindi also. I tell you guys, I think, okay, I explain you in Hindi guys. जो लोग भी जिनका 14 डेज़ का ट्रैवल हिस्ट्री है इन कंट्रीज़ को लेकर, बांग्लादेश, इंडिया, म्यांमार, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान और श्रीलंका, वो लोग भी मीन्स ट्रांजिट हो सकते हैं, मीन्स सिंगापुर एंटर कर सकते हैं वो भी. Okay, this is the category travelers with a 14 days travel history too. So here we have category 1. In category 1, guys, okay, we start from here. Vaccinated travel lane. So this is vaccinated travel lane. This is already started from 19th of October, and for this country: Canada, Denmark, France, Italy, Netherlands, Spain, UK and USA. So for them very easy. And from 15th of November, South Korea also opening, and for them, this country, vaccinated travel pass. Okay, they must have vaccinated travel pass. Then for within, like, before traveling, within 48 hours they must have PCR test, and on arrival PCR test they required. So this is the measure for this vaccinated travel lane. So now we are talking about category 1. Category 1, those countries like Hong Kong, Macau, mainland China and Taiwan. So I'm talking about these countries: Hong Kong, Macau, mainland China and Taiwan. So this is category 1. So in category 1 you need air travel pass. Okay, second, on arrival PCR test. You must when you will reach to Singapore, they will do your PCR test on arrival. So you no need to do your PCR test before entering in Singapore. So this is for the category 1. So there is not many like requirements. So in category 2, guys, countries are Australia, Austria, Bahrain, Belgium, Bhutan, Brunei, Bulgaria, Canada, Croatia, Cyprus, and Denmark, Fiji, France, Finland, Germany, Greece, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, and New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States and Vatican City. So these categories are category 2. So for the category 2, there is a requirement. You can go there, safetravel.ica.com. more information you can get, but there is not big issue, like that is for the visa. And for them, you guys need category, if you are in category 2, you need your PCR test before traveling within 48 hours, your report need. And on arrival, if you are reaching Changi Airport like in Singapore, they will not do your any PCR test, and you have to be a 7 days declared place of accommodation. Like which place have you declared already during visa, so only on that place you have to be quarantined for 7 days. So and then in the last of, like, when is your last day of quarantine, like 7 day, like CHN exit PCR test. So on the last day they will do your PCR test. Okay, and this is for the category 2. So now we go for category 3. In category 3, guys, we have Cambodia, Egypt, Estonia, Hungary, Indonesia, Israel, Latvia, Lithuania, Malaysia, Maldives, Mongolia, Qatar, Rwanda, Samoa, and which is that Seychelles, Slovenia, South Africa, and Tonga, UAE, and Vietnam. So these are categories in under 3. So under 3 categories, same, before traveling before departure you need your within 48 hours report PCR test. Then you have to be 10 days declared place of accommodation, means which one before coming you have declared your place where you want to live. So where you want to live, so that place you have to be a quarantine 10 days. So and on the 10th day, on the on the last day of your quarantine, they will do your PCR test. So you also no need, they will no need to do your PCR test on arrival. Okay guys, and in third yeah, so first category done, second category done, third category done. So in fourth category, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, all this, Nepal. So for these country guys, I will explain you in Hindi also. So for these countries, before traveling, before coming, within 48 hours you need your PCR test. मीन्स आने से पहले आपका 48 घंटे के अंदर अंदर की रिपोर्ट होनी चाहिए PCR टेस्ट की. देन you have to be 10 days at dedicated CHN facility. So 10 days you have to be isolate. So जो कि आपको यहाँ पे जब आप पहुँचेंगे, यहाँ पर पहुँचने पर after departure, so they will give you the place where you want, like any hotel or whichever they will send you. You have to go there, and 10 days you have to be क्वारंटाइन. मीन्स 10 दिन आपको क्वारंटाइन रहना होगा. जो भी आपको जगह बताई जाएगी उस जगह पे आपको जाना है, जो भी होटल में डेडिकेटेड प्लेस जो भी होगी, तो वहाँ पे आपको 10 डेज़ का क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ेगा. और जिस दिन आपका 10 दिन ख़त्म हो जाएंगे उस दिन आपका टेस्ट होगा. इन द लास्ट डे ऑफ योर क्वारंटाइन, मीन्स जिस दिन लास्ट डे होगा उस दिन आपका. एंड गाइस, स्पेशली फॉर दिस, एंड द वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, category 4, your quarantine fees will be $1,450. मीन्स जो आपकी क्वारंटाइन फीस होगी वो $1450 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स होगी. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, for all the categories whoever entering in Singapore, for everyone, please, this is strictly government already told in the news, they given in the news, don't take any public transportation if you are going, like if you came out from airport and you are going to your declared place or dedicated place for the isolation or for the quarantine, don't take any public transportation. You take only the taxi, like private taxi or car, whatever you can take. You take the, don't take public transportation. This is strictly, like government already mentioned, this is strictly they told already. So please don't take any public transportation like buses or MRT, whatever. So guys, मैं हिंदी में बोल दूँ, अगर आप एयरपोर्ट से बाहर आ रहे हैं और आप क्वारंटाइन के लिए, अगर आप होटल में जा रहे हैं, अपने घर जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हैं, हम सब अपने क्वारंटाइन होने के लिए, तो गाइज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ मत कीजिएगा. आप मीन्स बसेस या ट्रेन ये बिल्कुल भी यूज़ मत करना. आप सिर्फ अपना टैक्सी कर लेना, टैक्सी से चले जाना, या कोई भी आपको अगर लेने आ रहा है, या प्राइवेट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कोई भी ले सकते हैं आप. सो आप प्राइवेट टैक्सी लेकर आप जा सकते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज़ डोंट टेक पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके गाइज, थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो, और आपको अच्छी लगी होगी वीडियोस. एंड thank you, thanks for watching, and again congrats to everyone, congrats, and it's really very good news. And so welcome to Singapore. Thank you, bye bye.